Clinical research is evolving faster than ever. Let's dive into what is shaping 2026 globally and in India. We here at ICR are very excited about the trends which are going to follow in 2026. So, globally, as we know, technology has been one of the key areas where there has been a inroad into clinical trials. Decentralized and hybrid trials are now the mainstream. So, telemedicine, wearables, as well as home sample collection are making its way into the transformation of the study designs, the predictive recruitment, and the real time analytics. Digital biomarkers and real world data from the wearables and ePros are giving unprecedented insights into our clinical trials. India too is actively adopting decentralized and hybrid clinical trial models and using digital tools very rapidly, just as the West in the global clinical trials that we participate in. There is an accelerated adoption of AI and machine learning, especially when it comes to discovery to protocol development and medical writing, particularly also in the clinical operations space when we look at patient recruitment, when we look at site selection, the protocol optimizations, and the safety signal detection. So, a lot of change is expected as we move into 2026 in this space. And India's regulatory environment, on the other hand, is equally very robust, and we are seeing that it continues to modernize with CDSCO as well as ICMR shifting more into an online submission space for the clinical trial applications and speaking to each other and moving towards a more efficient digital process oriented mindset. We also see that the patient centricity related pieces are coming to the forefront globally as well as in India. There is a greater need for making sure that the great diversity in the clinical trials as well as the flexibility of participation is taken into account, be it globally or in India. And if we are to look at what is happening with the therapeutic areas, I think oncology leads the way with immuno-oncology and the antibody drug conjugates, the bispecific antibodies, and the CAR T cells being the forefront of the majority of the pipeline and portfolio in the world. We also see neurology seeing breakthroughs with monoclonal antibodies coming up for Alzheimer's, RNA based therapies for the rare disorders, and also cardiovascular diseases and rare diseases advancing with the RNA based drugs, antisense oligonucleotides, as well as the mRNA platforms which are beyond vaccine. The Indian clinical trial ecosystem definitely benefits from its patient population, the cost effective trial execution, and the technology, where real world evidence is getting a lot of traction as we move ahead. And as we continue to strengthen the infrastructure, boost the patient awareness, and look at the ethical oversight of trial conduct, we would really want to see India stepping up in the early phase clinical trials and making sure that we are doing all that we can in order to make sure this is seen as a growth pattern for the country, and we can completely rely on India with its regulatory prowess as well as looking at the operational conduct of the trial and make sure that we are in a position to compete with the best in the world. So, with that, I would like to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Thank you.